back again. I told you yesterday that tomorrow we'll continue the poem that we read yesterday, which was very important, and what was the name of that poem? The name of that poem was Save Water. Save Water. Okay, so let's revise it quickly. The leaky tap drips day and night. Just fix it right or shut it tight. The tap is on. You brush your teeth. The water flows. You soap your feet. Just think of all the water lost. To close the tap, what does it cost? Let's continue. Okay, we all know water is very important for us. The water bottle you take to school, the water in it is nice and cool. The water bottle. All of you take water bottles to school? Yes, in the morning your mama fills it up, or you fills it up for yourselves, or dad fills it up. Yes, with nice water, clean water and cool water. Yes, and you carry that water bottle to school with yourself. Everybody carries the water bottle. Yes, the water in it is very nice and cool. Yes, you drink a bit, the rest you throw. You drink a bit, that means little bit of water you drink, and then what you do, you play with the water. You throw it here and there while coming to school or going back to school. You throw it and you play it with your friends. Play with water. Yes, many of you do this. So you should not do it. This is a bad habit. The water could help a plant grow. Now, not only we human beings need water, but also plants, animals, birds, all living things need water. All living things need water to live. Without water, we will die off. There will be no life without water. Yes, so instead of throwing water here and there, what should you do? What can you do? You can put that water in a plant. You can pour it in a plant. You can pour that water in a plant. Okay, don't waste it. Don't throw it here and there simply. Okay. To save water and do your part. To save water and do your part. That means what is your duty? What is our duty? Our duty is to save water. To save water. You should promise yourselves that from today you are not going to waste a little bit of water also. You are going to save that water. So it is your duty. It is your duty. It's not a game. It's not a game. Water is not a game to play with. Let the water last. Let it last. Let the water be there. Yes, if in your houses for one day also, 2 days the water does not come, or the tank is empty, then what happens? Yes, what happens? You all face a lot of difficulties. Yes, you cannot bath, you cannot cook, you cannot wash, isn't it? So you should do a promise to yourself that from today you are not going to waste water, you are going to save water, because everybody needs water. Plants, animals, birds, human beings. Yes, we are human beings, isn't it? And it's our responsibility to save water. Yes, animal cannot save water. No, a dog cannot save water. Yes, we can save water. We humans have that power. Yes, to save water. Okay, children, got it? Yes. And who is the poet of this poem? Very, very important. Who has written the poem for us? Such a beautiful poem is written by Sudarshan Gopal. Who is the poet? The poet is Sudarshan Gopal. Sudarshan Gopal. Got it? Yes. So let's do a quick revision of this poem that we have studied today. The water bottle you take to school, the water in it is nice and cool. You drink a bit, the rest you water could help a plant grow. So, save water and do your part. It's not a game. Let the water last. It's not a game, okay? Let the water last. And who is the poet? The poet is Sudarshan Gopal. So many things we have learned from this poem, isn't it? So let's see once again what are they.
Water is very precious. We should not waste water. Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, gardening, and many more. Animals need water. Plants need water to survive. Animals and plants also need water like we human beings. We should close the tap always, and that too properly. And if it needs repairing, we should do it immediately. Turn off tap while brushing the teeth. You should take shorter baths. Turn off the tap while applying soap. When you are applying soap, you should turn off the tap. Then turn off tap after each use immediately. Okay, don't waste water.
So students, goodbye. Take care. Tomorrow we'll do the exercises. Okay.